Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. What's inside Knowledge Broker Blueprint? The KBB by Tony Robbins Dean Graziosi is made up of 4 easy-to-follow modules and bonuses which I will break down in a bit. Here's a rundown of each module and what you should expect to find inside the Knowledge Broker Blueprint Mastermind course. Module number 1, Extract It. This module deals with finding the ultimate starting point for your knowledge business. It shows you how to find the unique expertise you can sell to make profits and impact the world. Lesson number 1, Tony Robbins' Secret to Success. To succeed in life and anything you do, you need to start with the right positive mindset. In this lesson, Tony Robbins teaches you how to have the right attitude and mindset so you can boost your progress and attain massive success. What does it take to succeed? Mindset secrets to scaling your business. What to expect moving forward. Bonus, Tony's secret energy for life. Lesson number 2, your expertise and ideal client. In this lesson, Tony and Dean will show you how to figure out the unique and profitable expertise that you'll use to impact the world. And they would teach you how to find your ideal clients who would be happy to pay for your expertise, no matter the price. Discovering your superpower. Identifying your ideal client. The Narrow Your Niche tool. Bonus, 3 simple ways to eliminate stress. Lesson number 3, Story, Teach, Tool. Facts tell and stories sell, they say. Stories are really powerful. They are one of the most effective methods of selling anything to anyone. Tony and Dean would teach you how to craft better stories that effectively sell your offer in this lesson. The secret art of storytelling. Extracting what you will teach. Bonus, Tony, why people buy feelings. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. Lesson number 4, your toolbox. There are various moving parts to building a knowledge business. And this could prove overwhelming and challenging if you don't know the right tools. This lesson sees Tony and Dean share an amazing collection of tools and concepts that would help you optimize the challenging components of growing your knowledge business. This was quite lengthy. The Clarity Tool. Who I am and what I do. 7 levels deep. I know I'm being successful when. Your not to-do list. The Needle Movers. The Spotlight Tool. The Success Loop. The One Thing. Negotiation Secrets. Ideas Worth Doing. The Connections Tool. The Wrap-Up Tool. Bonus, 3 simple habits to create overnight success. Lesson number 5, your first agenda. This lesson would help you in creating your first agenda so you can test what you've learned and started earning profit from your knowledge. Tony and Dean would show how you the most profitable way of creating your first agenda, which is by running a virtual or physical event like a mastermind or workshop. Picking your event name. Picking your event type. Creating your first agenda. Bonus, Tony, how to take massive action. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.